Well, everybody wants to be a master, everybody wants to show their skill. Everybody wants to get there faster, make the way to the top of the hill. Each time you try, you're gonna get just a little bit better. Each step you climb is one more step up the ladder. What's kicking y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I'm back in gear, don't you have no fear. Today, I have 4 tins to open, so I need to stop screwing around. So I picked up 3 of the new Hidden Fates tins. There's Charizard, Gyarados, and Raichu. I pre-ordered these at GameStop. So let me just say, guys, please, Hidden Fates, this set is insane. It has so many shiny Pokemon, and it has so many cool cards, like the Shining Charizard, Shining Umbreon. Maybe that's just me. So you can pre-order this stuff at GameStop. Literally just go in, and you don't have to worry about paying flippers and other people who are trying to sell these for more than they're worth. So that's what I did. I pre-ordered 6. I asked for 2 of each. I ended up with 3 Charizards and only 1 Raichu, so whatever. I also picked up this, and that's how I want to start off the video, is with this Unbroken Bonds tin. So we haven't opened any Unbroken Bonds in a sec. I mean, Unified Minds. Woo! Not Unbroken Bonds. Unified Minds tin. So this is a Mew and Mewtwo tin, and the promo for this is amazing, and you're going to see why. I'm going to open this, and you're going to be like, oh, yeah, that is pretty cool. So I actually want to get this graded. I'm hoping that this one's in good condition, the card, so I can send it off. I love doing PSA gradings. So let's go ahead and open this up. I like that they changed the GX deals into this little metal thing, because they used to just give you some weird cardboard card. Cardboard? Card, yes. I know what I'm saying. So let's go ahead and get into this. I love that art so much. Go ahead and take these out. How many packs am I getting? I'm getting 2 Unified Mind, Lost Thunder. I still haven't pulled everything I want from this pack, so I can't be mad. There's an Evolutions pack, so we get a chance at a Charizard. And then we get this cool thing. I don't know what this is for. If you play the game and there's an actual use, please tell me what that's for. I don't even know where to go with that. And here's the Mewtwo promo. Oh, we can take it off in the back. I love that they started doing this with a little plastic holder, so I didn't have to like damage my card while taking it out. There is a code card. I don't know what that gets you, if it gets you a bunch of packs or what. But look at this card. This full art is amazing. Mew is in the background, just having the time of his life, and Mewtwo is tired of it. So, looks like it's in pretty good shape. I'll have to look this over before I send it off. I'm going to grab my beautiful penny sleeves that I always have on hand for when we pull amazing cards. I really do need to speed this up. I'm not trying to make you guys sit here forever. I promise. I promise. All right. So there's the Mewtwo and Mew. I'm really happy about that card. I probably would have just paid 20 bucks for it flat off on its own. So let's start with the Unified Minds. We'll start with Umbreon, because I freaking love Umbreon. I still want to get a Rainbow Rare of Umbreon and Darkrai. Alright, it'll be nice to look at a pack that has more than 2 different commons. There is your code card for Unified Minds. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's water! It's not ice. It's not ice, TCG players, okay? We got Type Null. Got ourselves a Pokemaniac. Lapras looking beautiful. Pika! Bidoof! We got a Cosmog. We got a Magmar. A Cottony. The reverse is a Type Null. And the rare is Steelix. Let's get into Lost Thunder. Oh, we pull something cool out of this this XY Evolutions pack. I also wonder, I think the Hidden Fates tins are all Hidden Fates packs? I'm not 100% sure. I haven't opened any yet. This is my first time opening them with you. Isn't that special? 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's fire! This pack's gonna be fire. I can feel it. I can feel it. Are you ready? Professor Helm's Lecture. I want that card in a full art. Goodbye, Trumbeak. We got Pupitar. We got Chico. Scyther. I should have opened more of this pack. That's amazing art for Meryl. Just because it has so many Gen 2 Pokemon. Electivire. And the rare. Ooh, it's a Holo Scizor. That's pretty cool. I don't own that card. I also pulled one of the Garchomp and Giratina tins, so we'll be doing that on the next episode on Tuesday. So we'll have opening the tins today. We're gonna open 3 more. 2 of them are gonna be Charizard next time, and then we'll also open Garchomp and Giratina. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's psychic. It's not poison. It's not ghost. All right, we got Magneton. A Bibarel, Bibarel, Doublade, Silicoth, Salandit, Bound Sweet, Salandis, Scraggy, Reverses Bidoof, and the rare is a regular Honchkrow. Boo! Okay, last pack. Dang, these are booty pulls. That's okay, because we're going to pull something good in the Hidden Fates packs today. I can feel it. Okay, this is XY. There is your code card. 1, 2, 3. There is no energy. Flip it around, pass it around. We got Venusaur, Spirit Link. A Potion. Metapod. Ghostly Sandshrew. We got ourselves a Blurry Weedle. Weedle, okay. We got a Tangela. A Ponyta. The reverse is a Staryu. And the rare. Ooh, Pidgeot. We pulled so many Pidgeot EXs. Okay, that's pretty cool. All right, so we ended that one. Let's get into the tins from Hidden Fates. I freaking love Raichu. So it made me very happy that one of the tins was Raichu. Notice it's not a Alolan Raichu. They're trying to pull us away from loving Alolan Raichu because they're like, oh, no Alolan forms in Sword and Shield. They're watching. Just believe me, guys. Believe me. That's actually a really cool looking card, honestly. What is this? Some sort of contraption? How do I get this out? No, I have to pop it out again? You did. I just praised you on the other tin. Look at that Raichu. That's really nice art. I like that. Here's your code card for the Hidden Fates. 4 packs? 4 packs. Let's do it, guys. I believe. It's going to be good. Sorry, I'm trying not to throw tins all over the place. Ooh, we get one of each pack. That's nice and aesthetically pleasing. All right, what do you guys think on shiny count? Before we get started, comment section. How many shinies are we going to get in today's opening? Here is your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip it around. We got that Leaf Energy. Ha! It's grass. It was a joke. You know what else is a joke? Calling that energy Leaf. It's grass energy. You say Leaf, you're bananaed, okay? Magmar. Farfetch'd. Brox. Pewter City Gym. We got Ekans. We got a Charmander. A Sayayai. Magikarp. Staryu. The reverse is a Caterpie. And the rare is a Snorlax. Okay, I need to count these. How many cards? 10? Okay, so once I get past 8, I need to slow it down for the dramaticism to be on the right card. Because the rares, we don't really care about that much. Not that much. There's your code card. Hope you enjoy. Pull something amazing. Nobody's told me in the comments. 1, 2, 3. Flip around. We got water. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. Okay, so we need to go 7, right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the rare. What? It's gonna be fine. And we got a Mr. Mime. Oh my goodness. Okay, Mewtwo, save me. Do not let me bust, please. The last pin opening was painful, man. We got the Buzzwole, but jeepers, we got 2 Buzzwoles. I need some shininess in my life, guys. I'm a shiny hunter, okay? 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Psychic. It is Psychic. All right. We got ourselves Charmeleon, Metapod, Jinx, Slowpoke, Clefairy, Jigglypuff, Caterpie, Eevee, Reverse. Ooh, Metang. Nice. Oh, yeah. I've always loved the shiny of Beldum, Metang, and Metagross. And the rare is a smelly Kangaskhan. Woohoo! Where's my stuff? I want to get a full set of these graded. Full set of the shinies. That would make me so happy. All right, new shiny. Okay. All right, so those of you who said we're only getting 1 shiny, that means we can't get any shinies in the rest of our packs. And if you said that, you're mean to me. Okay? I don't appreciate that. Listen, I just want to get all the shinies. Is that too much to ask? Okay. Let's see what we got in this one. Come on, full art shiny. Let's do it. Charizard right here. Charizard right here. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fighting. It's not ground. It's not rock. Okay? Get it straight. Graveler. Chansey. Pewter City Gym. Jigglypuff. Ekans. Geodude. Cubone. Eevee. And the reverse is Giovanni's Exile. And the rare is a Golem. Well, okay, for first tin, Raichu, we only got a Metang. We didn't even get a regular holo. That's not good. Okay, Gyarados. We're saving Charizard for last. Because, you know, he's the coolest. Because he's going to give us a Charizard in the pack. I can feel it. Okay, so we just pop this out. Okay. There's the Gyarados. That looks pretty good. And then there's your code card. Enjoy that. Tell me what you pull. I need to know. I want to see the happiness. I need to see the joy I'm causing, potentially. Okay, Gyarados, get over here. 4 packs. Let's get into this. Charizard. We're starting off strong with a Charizard. We're going to pull a Charizard, okay? That's what we're going to do. I can feel it.
I can feel it in my bones, Mr. Krabs. That!
There is your Hidden Fates code. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's dark. It's a dark energy. Don't say darkness. Dark energy. Sabrina, what are you suggesting? Misty's Determination. Metapod. We got an Eevee. Caterpie. Paris. Ekans. We got a Psyduck. And the reverse. Golem. And the rare. Butterfree. Come on. All right, Triple Birds. You're the ones hiding. Triple Birds was hiding the Charizard. That's what it was. That's all it was. It's the Charizard's in this one. I was just mistaken. It's our first pack opening of Hidden Fates. Incredibly skewed. Now that I'm getting into other packs and watching other people open. Can we? Oh my gosh. Okay. There is your upside down code card. Regular code card. Pack, go away. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Psychic. Are you ready? We got Giovanni's Exile. Koga's Trap. We got Lieutenant Surge's Strategy, a Psyduck. Magikarp. We got a Staryu. Slowpoke. The reverse is behind this Voltorb. And it's an Eevee. And the rare is a Lapras. Oh my goodity gosh. Alright. Tins. Don't let me down. Don't send me home with just a Metang. Okay? Don't do that to me. I like how the color of the code card actually doesn't matter anymore. That's pretty nice. There's your code. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Steel. Don't you dare say Metal. We got Misty's Cerulean City Gym. Lieutenant Surge's Strategy. Pokemon Center Lady. Geodude. Pikachu. We got a Clefairy. Cubone. Can you focus, please? Jigglypuff. Whoa, yeah! We got a shiny Noibat. Freaking love Noibat. Woo, and a holo Brock something that I don't care about. Shiny Noibat. I really, really want Shining Noivern, Shiny Charizard. If I get both of those, I'll be a pretty happy camper, man. There's obviously other shinies that would make me very happy. But those are my two big two after Umbreon. I can't open these. I need an adult. Adult! Ugh. There we go. All right. So, 1 shiny from each tin. Our shiny count is up to 2. Comment section. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's grass. It's grass. All right. Cerulean City Gym. Pewter City Gym. Metapod. Jigglypuff. Got ourselves a nice little Caterpie. Eevee. Ekans. Charmander. Whoa! No! A third Buzzwole? Why? Buzzwole. I will put you in a penny sleeve. We're up to 3 shinies. We'll put you in a penny sleeve, but I'm not happy about it. All right, Buzzwole. Third Buzzwole? Why? It's like they know. Here's the Charizard tin. Let's get into this. It's like they know I don't want it. They can feel it. All right, we're going to have to... This one's going to be turbo, okay? It's going to be turbo because I need to get this camera in front of me off. Boom. There's the Charizard. Oh my gosh, he looks so cool. There's your code card. All right. This is the lightning round, okay, guys? Are you ready for lightning round? All right, 4 packs. We're up to 3 shinies. Oh, turbo round is being hindered because... Goodness! Who are you trying to keep out of these? Me? It's working. There is your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. Oh my gosh, it's fighting. Brrr, lightning round. As soon as it focuses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No! Okay. Next card. We can do this. Shinies. Where are you at? Where you at? There's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Steel. Are you ready? We got Magmar, Charmeleon, Graveler, Coughing, Voltorb, Cubone, Geodude. Oh boy. Eevee. We got Brock's Training and an Electrode. What on earth? It's like they know that I peaked in my first episode and they don't want to give me anything else. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's dark. Are you ready? We got Giovanni's Exile, Brock's Grit, Koga's Trap, Psyduck, Staryu, Clefairy, Slowpoke, Pikachu, and a Holo Zapdos. Last pack. Please, last pack magic. Please, last pack magic. Before we get into this, I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for all the support on the channel. If you could please leave a like on the video if you enjoy this kind of content. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's fire. I'd really appreciate that. A whole bunch. And subscribe to the channel if you've not already. I'm bringing Pokemon and Funko Pop content to the channel all the time. Follow me on Twitch. I'm streaming all the days you don't see videos here. Let's get to our last shiny. Yeah, it's a shiny! We did it! We got the shiny Magneton and the rares of Butterfree. All right, so we ended up with 4 shinies. Comment section. Let me know how you did. That is all I've got for today. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.